What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to your clothing guide, TheHoxtonTrend. Guys, in this video what I'm going to be doing is looking at the Certilogo, okay? Now what I'm going to be doing is showing you a real Stone Island hoodie versus a fake Stone Island hoodie. A lot of people still ask me, how do you check the Certilogo correctly? So in this video what I'm going to do is run through real quick how to use the Certilogo correctly and what to do if you get a fake item, how you can check it and how you can use the Certilogo on lots of different brands, okay? Now Certilogo promise to have lots more brands lined up using the Certilogo, but currently you've got like Stone Island, CP Company, Parajumpers, Armani, Nobis and a whole bunch of other brands as well. I'm actually really glad that lots of brands are using the Certilogo. Actually, whilst I'm talking about the Certilogo, some of the other brands that are using Certilogo include CP Company. Actually, let me show you the newest CP Company actually comes with, and it actually comes with the Certilogo. Now obviously I'm covering the number because I don't want you guys to see that, because as I mentioned before, you're meant to keep the Certilogo safe and you're not meant to share that with people, okay? And one of the other brands that is also using Certilogo is Parajumpers. Now as you guys know, I love Parajumpers. I think the quality of their jackets are really good, and if you look inside the jacket there's a little label in here and you can see there is a Certilogo on here as well, okay? So listen, let me show you this fake hoodie that I got in. Boom! Right, this is the fake Stone Island hoodie. Now to be honest with you, it's not a great fake at all. It's actually really bad, and I've even gone and put a real Stone Island badge on this, because what sometimes people do is they get a fake Stone Island hoodie and they think if they put a fake badge on it in the pictures, they might take a picture showing the badge and people think the badge is genuine, but they'll send you the fake with the fake badge. So you know, it's just a way to try and fool people. I happen to have a real Stone Island hoodie right here. Now even just feeling the two, the Stone Island's got a much more quality, a much better brush, soft feel to it. Oh, that felt quite good actually. Super nice hoodie compared to this one, which feels a little bit coarse. It doesn't really feel very premium. It will probably start to like fluff a lot on the inside as well. So you know, in terms of quality, this one's not very good. A lot of counterfeits are starting to copy the Certilogo across lots of different brands, but fear not, because you cannot actually copy the Certilogo. You cannot actually copy a Certilogo from this jumper, for example, and put it into this one and expect this one to still come up as genuine. They actually do use AI technology within the Certilogo authentication process. So there's a lot of stuff, a lot of technology going on behind the scenes. So definitely 100% you can't copy a real Certilogo code and put it into a fake item and expect that to work. It's not going to happen. For example, when you get your item, you know, be it Stone Island, be it Parajumpers, be it CP Company, Armani, Nobis, the whole other bunch of brands that use Certilogo, what you can do is look inside the labels and you'll see the label right here. Let me see if I can get a little close up so I can show you that. There you go. Now typically with your genuine Certilogo code, do not show that to anyone, guys. Always keep that covered and never expose it. When you're selling on marketplaces, never take a picture of this and put it on your picture, because what happens is when, did I just slap myself with the label on my face? What happens is when, that's crazy. Because what happens is if you start exposing this and people start putting in the code from lots of different locations, and people might say, do you have the item in hand? And people tend to say yes, then it confuses the system, and it might say there are some anomalies with your Certilogo. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's fake, it just means that there's a problem and you need to contact Certilogo to sort that out. So make sure you don't expose that, okay? Now it's pretty simple, just get onto your computer or get onto your mobile app. But one of the fast things that I like to do is just, if you've got an iPhone or if you've got a smartphone, is jump onto the camera. I actually scanned this fake Certilogo and it still has taken me to the Certilogo website, and it's automatically put the number in there for me already. So it's already done half of the work, which is super easy. So now it's going to ask me a whole bunch of questions. Now this is where it gets important. Always make sure to answer the questions correctly, because this is where problems can arise if you're not answering the questions properly. I mean, regardless, it's always going to give you the same answer, but ensure to put the correct answers to the questions. So where did you find this product? So I bought it from a marketplace, so I'm going to put here online. Funny enough, it was actually eBay that I got it from, so I'm hitting go. We have found a few anomalies on the code provided. Do you have the product with you? So I'm going to say yes. Is this the brand name of your product? I'm going to go yes. Please take some lit close-ups, not screenshots of the CLG tag and label on your product. So it's actually asking me to take some pictures, okay? Sometimes if there's a problem, Certilogo might need to do some extra checks, so I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do that, okay? So here we go, take some pictures. One, right, so it says I'm done. Right, it's come back as a fake, guys. As we can clearly see on the screen, it's unfortunately a fake. So obviously, I mean, I knew it was a fake, but that is how you're gonna tell if your item is fake. One of the fastest and quickest ways is to just check the Certilogo. I always say now, you know, if I do a legit check for someone, which we do in our Facebook group, if we're doing a legit check, I always still say, look, still double check the Certilogo just to be sure. Even if by sight I think an item is genuine, so long as it uses the Certilogo, that's like an extra backup. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly what happens when you have a genuine item and what the Certilogo process is, and take you through that process real quick, okay? Grab the Stone Island item, so grab the item, and remember, when the Certilogo is usually inside the labels, okay? Right, so same process again. You can actually download the Certilogo app. What I do is I just use my camera, I just take that and go straight to the Certilogo. I just face my camera, I go straight to the Certilogo. It should take me straight to the website, so let's have a look. Boom, done that straight away. So a little pop-up's come up and it's taking me straight to Safari, and it's taking me straight to the Certilogo website. Again, you can do this on the app. You can also do this on desktop as well, so whatever's more convenient for you. It's already putting the number for me, so I can see the number on my screen, and it's taking me through the process where I'm gonna authenticate my product. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So it said, where did you find this? I actually bought this in store, so I can't remember where I bought it now, man. I think it was 18 Montrose over in King's Cross actually, so I'm gonna put that. So are you in the store right now? No. If you're in store, you can actually just double check if you're in a store, you know, just to be safe and make sure that everything's okay before you purchase. So it's saying, what store did I buy it from? So I'm going to put in here 18 Montrose. Right, okay, so done that, that's all good. Did you purchase this product? Yes, I did. Is this the brand name of your product? So it's asking me to confirm, and it's asking is it Stone Island, which it is. And it's asking me, does it have this label sewn? So it's showing me a picture of the label, and it's exactly the label that it's using. So I'm gonna hit yes. Right, it's doing a little test. It's just having a look. Authentic. Brilliant. So it's already shown me that the product is authentic. I've already known that, but that is the correct process. Now sometimes it does say to you, sometimes if you're online and you're browsing on a marketplace and it says, and you see a Certilogo, you might be tempted to put it in, and it might say to you, is the product with you? I would say the genuine answer, if it's not with you guys, then just say no. If a lot of people say that they have got the item with them when it hasn't, then it could cause issues for that label, and then you got to contact Certilogo, and it could be a process for you to get that sorted out, okay? So that's it, guys. Remember, look, if you want to find out more about Certilogo, you can jump onto their website. They've got lots of information on there. If you want to find out what brands are using Certilogo, the information is also in there as well, okay? So guys, literally that's it. Listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it informative. I've got lots more videos coming, so make sure you stay tuned for it. I'm out of here. See you lot soon. Peace out.